Say, guess what? Casper! Come here, my friend! No, come now, get back, man!
What's the question?
Okay, if man SMS, it's by fake carry, let pick so I vend that this year, man.
Nah, man, so long as one is door sabo, nyande yakon. Ufundi namadoda adla.
You wena, fethu yakho kanti ingqomo nje nke ngiyenza ibhadle.
Ikse, Mizos. Swakala.
Say what's up, bro?
Check and one. Isn't that Joy?
Say andwan. Uye lo.
Yes, hayi simfumene bafethu.
Uzocala. Hey, Chance. Insedanyana ixesha elithi. Gogo, uyile. Just can't wait to meet the woman I love. And that is Joy. Massive. Check.
Morning, class.
Morning, miss.
Tabo, is this the time to come to class?
You're so long and papa.
Okay. Today we are going to chat so that we can get to know each other better and deal with our lesson later. Is that right?
That's fine, miss. So let's change the way we call our classroom and say our chat room, not classroom.
It seems as if we've got a clown in our classroom.
Kago. Skipani kanti dance lapha mfethu.
I have an idea mfethu. Yeah. Kalade saspice girl. Ukusona lantwana sengisho ayidlala idisc iphayenza abantwana bachazeka.
Kusendwana. Skiphani ngaye.
Sengisho lantwana ishaya ngodlala isoka. Nandishaya ngoJoy. Ishaya ngama ticket esoka. Nandishaya directions to Joy's office. If the guy tickets is on guy directions. Ngiyathola chance.
Kusemfethu, qondo wamhlolo. Give me 5. So, silinde ndulu bafethu.
Hey boys.
Yeah, press.
Ngizonde ngikhago mina mashitami, Mizos, amzethi.
Tantola. Chekishani bafethu man njengoba nesibona bese yesigele. Enhleke ngifuna ntoni?
Ah man phola mamtshana.
Akuzela la.
Hey Fistos.
Yebo.
Antshele baba man. Wayifunde laphi disc sasukubukele ngenye day.
Ngawumamela emfundini man.
Kuse, yadlala mshana.
Jonga ntwana. Nanempintshi zami. Sebenzela ikhampani sentsho efuna intwana ezingangani yabo.
Oy.
Party flags for teams yabo sincedise naxa train.
Yeah.
So nina niyashaya ngama ticket okubukela igame.
Wow, of course. Let's go. Take 5 out here. Take 5, bro. Take 5. Ish. Haraso yakhe. Hey, Casper.
Yeah,
Amaphupha ayafezeka ne? Ezipraz. Ama ticket to success, man.
Ifistos.
Ewe mfowethu.
Lamanje ndiyawathemba.
Ewe, khumbula into abaliphupha lami eli. So, benze nje ngexesha. Gcwala, ugcwele.
Thando.
Fika phana lesikile baba. Abantu into ezininzi sana zimokuyisakhipha nje.
Hey boys.
Yeah, bro.
Bonke sikina libonini nekazi elinjengeli.
Yes, why?
It's just.
Bruh.
I'm leaving. I'm sure that you're on some person.
Okay, we can go. But I'll write behind your side.
Go.
Yes, go. So tell me, bro, what happened with Joy?
Gun?
Yeah.
Gun.
Wow. Wait.
Hayi sikuthi just sithetha kanjalo sengisho ubundikhombisa nje wena ioffice yakhe
Joe,
yafumana ama-ticket.
I got you, bro. So, nansi i-office kaMr Joey. Yabona emva kwala mnyango.
Okay, leya ne.
Uwe.
Okay. Udlale njengomzida ne.
Bhala reza.
Surprise!
You?
Yeah, me. Thought I'll never come back. Well, I behaved well and I got released. Now, I'll rape you again.
Please, Dana, please. No, please.
Diana.
Miss, kwenzekeni?
Nankongo yanihlangulayo.
Uxolo miss ngento endenzileyo.
Wenzito.
Ngimbonise i-office yakho miss.
Ngazi basiyazana kudala.
Bendifuna amatikiti kodwa ayingohlobo.
Tikiti ntwana.
Awe big soccer event miss.
Ngazi ndoda ndikuxolele.
Oh no! Hayi, kangendazi. Umisufile ngenxa yobhanki.